Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. Intuit ProSeries is a professional tax software solution available at ProSeries.intuit.com. Designed specifically for tax professionals, this robust platform aims to streamline and simplify the complexities of tax preparation. ProSeries provides a comprehensive suite of tools and features that cater to various tax preparation needs, from individual returns to more intricate business and corporate filings. The software allows for efficient client management, enabling users to organize client data, track deadlines, and generate reports seamlessly. One of the standout features of Intuit ProSeries is its focus on accuracy and compliance. Integrated diagnostic tools help identify potential errors and omissions, ensuring that returns are filed correctly and minimizing the risk of audits. Additionally, ProSeries stays up to date with the ever-changing tax laws and regulations, providing users with the latest information and forms to maintain compliance. This constant updating ensures accuracy and peace of mind for both tax professionals and their clients. Intuit ProSeries also offers various support options to assist users with any questions or technical difficulties they may encounter. From online tutorials and FAQs to dedicated phone support, users can access the help they need when they need it. This commitment to customer support is a significant advantage, especially during peak tax season when time is of the essence. Furthermore, ProSeries integrates with other Intuit products, such as QuickBooks, facilitating seamless data transfer and further enhancing workflow efficiency. By automating many of the tedious tasks associated with tax preparation, ProSeries allows professionals to focus on more strategic aspects of their practice, such as client consultation and financial planning. The intuitive interface and user-friendly design contribute to a smoother workflow and reduced learning curve, allowing professionals to quickly become proficient with the software. With its comprehensive features, focus on accuracy, and robust support system, Intuit ProSeries is a valuable tool for tax professionals seeking to enhance efficiency and improve the accuracy of their work. For more detailed information and to explore the various pricing plans available, visit ProSeries.intuit.com. You can find the link in the description.